morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, April 9th, 2021. Please stand for the pledge to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat. Now here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Worthy in Miss Bermuda's class was nominated by Sarai for helping her little brother. Natalie in Miss Vitosh's class was nominated by Evie for being a nice person to everyone outside. She was also nominated by Reagan for being helpful and kind. Stella in Miss Phipps's room was nominated by Adrian for being nice and sharing. Great job, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 85 and a low of 54.
Happy birthday to Matthew B. in kindergarten, Aurelie C. in kindergarten, and Ethan G. in 5th grade.
Today's National Name Yourself Day. If you wondered what life would be like to have a different name today, today is the day to find out. It's also National Unicorn Day.
Today in history, in 1865, General Robert E. Lee surrendered his rebel forces to the Union.
In the headlines, Hollywood legend Dick Van Dyke hands out money to
struggling people standing in line for jobs. This 95-year-old chimney sweep from Mary Poppins is a fan of doing good deeds. Last week, he handed out cash to those standing in line at the Community Labor Exchange. This isn't his only good act. He has also been seen volunteering and, of course, singing whenever he can.
Today's fun fact is, a man who designed the Pringles can, Fred Bauer, is buried in one, or at least some of his ashes are.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, what does Aladdin wear to the office on his casual Fridays?
I don't know.
His blue genies.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Fiona.
And I'm Larry.
That's Carter, and that's Kayla. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it up,